How to set up a demo trading account on Bybit. No long talks, let's just get straight into it. So you want to come to your Bybit homepage. After you open the app, you should be seeing something like this on your homepage. At times you see the demo trading, at times you would not. In cases whereby you do not, you click on this more icon here by your right, almost at the top. You click on this more option. So when you click on this more option, it's going to give you a list of things, and then you're going to see demo trading there. As you can see it here, demo trading. So you click on demo trading and it automatically switch from your main live account to a demo trading account where you can now execute trades. So now you can see very well my demo account. I haven't used a demo to trade on this Bybit account. It is prompting me to start trading with 100k in demo assets. Now guys, this is a serious warning. I must tell you, do not click accept. Don't click on that start trading with demo assets of 100k. Why is that? Because you are new to trading, or you just want to start trading with paper money. You do not want to be trading with an amount of money you have never seen in your life, or an amount of money that is way too big for you to understand. Because the truth is, now ask yourself honestly, after trading demo, would you be trading live account with $100,000 for a start? I doubt no. I doubt you will be doing that. You might likely be starting with maybe $100, $200, $500, $1,000, $2K. So make sure you are also demo trading with an amount that you can get familiar with, an amount that can resonate with your brain. Okay, so I'm going to just tap another part of my screen and click on the back. So I clicked back. I do not want to accept that 100k. Had it been I accepted it. Now here's the catch. If you accept it, you're going to have $100,000 worth of demo funds in your trading account, and you cannot clear it. That's the catch. You cannot clear it anymore. You just have to trade with that 100k like that, or you wait until like 30 days, whereby they will now uh, automatically clear your funds because of inactivity of trading. So once you make that mistake, you have made it and you have to keep trading. So moving on, you come to assets by the bottom here, your bottom right. Click on assets. Now this is where you want to adjust your demo funds and add the amounts that you are comfortable with. Let's say $100, $200, whatever it is you feel you are going to be depositing after you've mastered your strategy or whatever it is you want to implement, and you've gained that confidence to go live. So click on adjust demo funds like this, and now you can see you can, if you want to click on reduce funds, you can't really reduce much. Even if you've added 100k, you have to keep reducing and reducing and reducing, which is weird. So click on add funds, and then you just select. So you can see here you can add USDT, USDC, BCC, or ETH. And in this point, you want to be trading USDT, right? USDT pairs, Solana against USDT, BTC against USDT, whatever the case might be. So here is where you will now add, for example, maybe 200. You might add 200 or whatever it is you want to add, and then you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, the funds will automatically be added to your dashboard. So if you add 200, if you add 500, if you add 1000, 2000, you now automatically see it in your total equity here. So once that is done, then you come to trade, and then you can start executing your trades. So if you want to learn how to now trade, or how to open a trade, or how to close a trade, I have another video where I explained how to do that in my channel. Just check my previous videos and you will see where I explained how to place an order, how to open an order, close an order, manage all those other stuffs. But how to set up your demo account, this is technically it. Go from your live account, click to accept that 100k. Very, very, very important. Do not click to accept that 100k. Skip it. You might not see a skip button. Just press the backspace, so it will automatically clear that pop-up notification. And then you come to assets here, and then you can adjust your demo funds by adding it manually with an amount you are comfortable with trading, amounts that you can, resonate with it. And good luck on your trading journey. I hope you become a profitable trader over the long period of time. And also, in order for you to be a profitable trader, there are other YouTube videos I dropped on my channel that you can also watch through, strategy based, psychology based, and so many things that will help in your journey. And also, if you have any questions, I'll be glad to answer them. Until the next video, stay safe.